Alright guys, someone was asking me about a house update. So this is where my house will be where it will be built at. I put down a $500 deposit on Sunday, but they haven't cashed the check yet, so I'm not sure about that. But basically, my lot will start at this pin mark over there, and it will go to basically by that sign over there. So anyways, it's gonna be right in between this left lot and this corner lot, so it's just gonna be right here. And I'll show you the house style of what my house will look like. There's a few styles to choose from, but I think there might only be one available style left, so I'm not sure, but I will show you that here in a second. But it'll be nice to, I mean, hopefully my neighbors' houses don't look retarded, but anyways, so this is where I'm looking at, and then they'll have the fenced in backyards and stuff like that, so that'll be nice. And then yeah, it should have some kind of backyard a little bit. You can see this house over here has a backyard, I'd say like maybe 15 feet or something, maybe, yeah, 10-15 feet. So anyways, yeah, so I will turn around. The house is actually to the left, so give me a second here. But this house across the street from my house will, this is kind of a style that's decent. I don't really like the double roof line right here, but it's mainly just the siding. I don't like how, I'll show you in a second, but the siding, I don't really like how it goes sideways, and then at the top it goes up and down. So I just wish it was all the same, but you'll see here in a second. So this was one of the styles that I liked, that it was decent. That I guess my mom was concerned about the super short roof or whatever. I don't think that really bothers me, but the house that I will be probably getting, I think that model is a little bit more expensive for less roof, which is weird. But basically, this is the kind of style that I will be getting right here, which is just a couple houses down from mine. So basically, you got your garage and then your double peak roof with a little extra peak right here for the entryway. And then it comes with like stone on each side. And so yeah, it's not too bad. This color scheme actually looks pretty nice, and I don't mind it. But the other things I didn't like were just like the little wood beams sticking out the top. Not my favorite, but I mean, it's just a house, so whatever. I gotta pick a place to live somewhere, and hopefully I can get a garage with no glass windows or anything. So I kind of like this one right here. That one has none, but I don't know, most of these all have like glass windows or whatnot. So anyways, that's the house update for you guys, and more to come. I guess I have to wait to sign the contract. I don't know if it's this week or next week, and then it'll probably take like a month to get the paperwork, or the whatever, the stuff with the county. I can't even think right now, y'all, I'm sorry. Basically got to get the paperwork done for like a month, and then they'll start building it, and that'll take like 6 months. So anyways, that's what we're looking towards. And yeah, so I won't be doing it myself, unfortunately, but it'll save a lot of time and headache. So anyways, it'll still be exciting, and it'll be great. So anyways, I'll keep you guys updated and try to swing by here as many days as possible after work or whatnot. So give you like a follow along building process, like day 1, day 2, day 3, stuff like that. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy this, and hopefully this answers your questions at where I'm at. So within the next week or so, I'll get the paper signed or whatever, and then they'll start building. And yeah, so that's about it. But I'm also not sure if it's like this style right here. This is the style that I really don't like. Maybe it's just a color scheme. I think it might, that house is a little bit wider. Mine isn't like that, but like this really bothers me. But this color scheme right here just looks a lot better. And so anyways, that's where I'm at, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, follow along for the house build that's coming up. Give that like a month and a half or something like that. And we'll be having another video series besides working as an electrician. I'll have the house build, so that'll be a fun series, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe for that. And that'll do it, guys. Check the description for everything else, and notification bell, all that good stuff. So, alright guys, peace out. God bless. See you later.